Hey, lift your rod tip. Lift your rod tip. Lift your rod tip. Okay. There's one.
I guarantee you this memories will be good on this.
Well, that's what. What is going on? I have no idea. Oh my God, I do. I had no idea. He must have ate it on the fall. It's a good one, dude. Definitely 2.5. I was like, why was it? Yeah, like you said, the big ones don't move. It wasn't moving. He's got a yellow spot. Yellow and black.
That's pretty.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, dude. Look at that. Super pretty bass.
I'm wondering if he's the one who took off my jig.
He might have. Mine's a little bit smaller than yours, I think.